Excited here because Cookaway is a fabulous company that is brand new to us here at QVC and it's their debut. We're talking about a cooking experience for you at home. Nidhi, one of the founders here, has joined us tonight. Very welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Nidhi, let's just talk a little bit about Cookaway for a moment because this is an exceptional experience and opportunity for people to cook, right?
Absolutely. It's a cooking adventure landing on your doorstep with everything included. And honestly, anybody can attempt this, you know, because it comes with a cooking guide. It's got recipes included in it. And we're cooking the Greek Chicken Souvlaki this evening.
Yes.
So everything, as you can see in the front, the box includes all the larder ingredients for all the recipes. We send you meat from an award-winning butcher. It's all free range. All the chilled ingredients are put in the box separately and the dry larder ingredients for the recipes. So it's very easy to follow, but mostly it's a lot of fun, as I said.
Yeah.
You know, for foodies, it's a real treat. You get to try new cuisine, you get to try new flavors and really authentic and exciting ingredients. You know, I hadn't tried Graviera before. It's like Gruyere. It's a very buttery cheese.
Yes, that's true. And you get that with it. And I think what you see here, so we're seeing here, the chicken being cooked. You will be doing this at home. So what you see is you're unleashing an experience. When I love Greek food. We're really big fans of Greek food in our house. Have I ever made chicken Souvlaki? No. Have I ordered it? Yes, lots of times. When I made this, where you get every single ingredient you need, you do not need to go to the shops. You get everything that you need. You can create restaurant-style quality, and it's because, you know, the high-quality olive oil, right down to the right amount of dill, the high-quality yogurt, everything. So, let's rewind the clock for a moment and talk about what you've done and how do we get that end result of that beautiful restaurant-quality food. Because I did it, and it's easy, it's great.
Absolutely. So like I said, you get a cooking guide which honestly holds your hand, talks you through everything.
As you keep talking, I'm just going to have a little look through there.
Have a little look. So you get a little plan to follow, what you need to do, prep for each recipe. So what I've done this evening, I've pre-marinated the chicken.
Yeah.
That's already on the skewers and I've cooked it. And I've got some pittas made from scratch. I mean, honestly, they are absolutely fluffy, really nice and delicious. And the olive oil, you know, as you mentioned, all ingredients in this box are sourced from specialist Greek suppliers.
And you've got the recipes thereafter for you to use in your kitchen. And you've even got a Spotify playlist.
Yes.
I love that.
Yes, which is
really
a lot of fun. And a little backstory from the chef.
Oh, I think that's one of your earrings. There.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, there.
Gosh.
So, just find it. There's live telly. Yeah.
So, yes, it includes a little story to the menu from the chef as well. And honestly, this menu, while it's simple, the ingredients speak volumes, and it is bound to transport you to Greece. So, are you ready to
let's
make
get going.
Perfect.
Right, so we've got, you get the flour, you get the bread flour, you get everything with it to make the pita bread. So you've pre-made these. Now, should we start to assemble one of those gorgeous
Absolutely.
rolls,
So we
wraps?
do one together.
Yeah.
Let's do that. So I've made some tzatziki, which has grated cucumber, fresh dill, olive oil, and red wine vinegar, which the Greeks love using. Which comes in the box. So there you go, Eilidh. Why don't you start?
And you don't need to go to the shop to get anything extra. If you had nothing in your cupboard, you would have everything here to make the meal. And I think it is about creating that experience. Yes, we can get a takeaway on a Friday night, and that's easy enough to do. But how often do you then sit and you just watch the telly? Maybe you don't have... Shall I put one of these in now?
Absolutely.
Would you like
salad?
one as well?
Yes, that'll be great. Thank you.
Now, do you know what? And this is something about, you know, starting a conversation, inviting friends over so that you can have this together as you're cooking. You can chat about it. You can listen to the Greek playlist that comes with it. You can talk about, you know, it's a conversation starter as well. And you know what? We got something kind of similar takeaway during the week. And actually, do you know what? It wasn't a patch on this. When I made this, my partner couldn't believe it. He said, my goodness, the taste, the quality, everything is just sublime. It's to such a high quality. Look at that. And that is what you could be making with chips. Oh, you did yours a lot finer.
Yes, we need to grate. Have a bite. Let's see what you think. We're going to quickly grate some of that Graviera. Sorry, it's a bit hot. So I'm going to be careful.
Oh, my gosh.
There you go.
That is absolutely delicious.
And then let's grate some of that Graviera.
Now, this is the zero stick pan from Ninja. Do you know what? Or similar
What do you think?
to the one that we just saw. This is a little bit shallow, more shallow.
Yes.
But the cheese makes all the difference, doesn't it? What is the cheese?
This is Graviera. It's a Greek cheese. It's made from sheep and goat's milk, and this comes specially from Crete in Greece. Let me serve you some, actually, very quickly.
The tzatziki, if you've never actually made it or never known how to make it, it's such a lovely experience, because I didn't know that you added salt to the cucumber, you let it, you know, sit, you then added with the red wine vinegar. It's just everything, you really get to learn about it and then enjoy it. Me and my partner sat there and we chatted, we remembered times from our holidays as well. We talked all about, you know, we relived those experiences we'd had in Crete when we had an amazing time there. And actually, do you know what? Take a little look, and this is me at home. This is a very short, edited version, because you'll get a full version tomorrow on the QVC Instagram page. But this is like my super fast. You make your own. I love that, Jill. Honestly, do you know what was so nice? Making my own pita bread. I felt very.
I think this is like a whole experience,
Yeah.
and I've just had a taste of it, haven't I, before we started, Nidhi? And it's absolutely delicious. And I'm like you, I love Crete. It's one of my favourite places. And to be able to create the whole evening, I mean, you have friends round. It's like a whole experience.
It is. That is it. £10.64 and that first payment of £3. You get it back, and it's way more than just food on the plate. It is about that unleashing an experience from a cuisine that you may love. Nidhi, tell us a little bit more about these ingredients. By the way, that cheese is what absolutely... Gail, can I offer you one of these chips?
Yes, I think we should
Oh,
certainly
my
pass it around. So the ingredients are really specialist. We've got mountain oregano that's been specially sourced for, you know, all our Greek menus, and what you get to experience in the souvlaki box as well. There's red wine vinegar. I don't want to reveal a lot of secrets because I think there's a lot of fun in trying the menu, but Irini, who's a MasterChef champion, she's the one who's behind our entire Greek range. And there's so many, lots of little tips and tricks, and you know, that's what makes it a fun cooking experience. Like you said, it's simple chicken marinated in, but the ingredients really elevate it, and the chef's tips. So
can you go through, Nidhi, everything that we get, just so that people understand that it is everything? You don't need anything else from your cupboards to cook this, do you?
You could
Talk us through what you get.
you could be holidaying anywhere in the UK. Honestly, you do not even need salt for this menu. So everything gets delivered, from chilled ingredients to Greek yogurt to chicken. Everything you can see in the front comes with a beautiful cuisine brochure. So it makes a really nice gift as well, Eilidh.
Give someone a
to
night off.
Give someone a night off, or you know, somebody who really loves cooking and likes trying world food flavors.
Absolutely.
And
Look,
Sorry.
No,
Yeah,
you-
no, it comes with all ingredients, as I said. Everything for the recipe, the larger ingredients are all included, all instructions, very thorough. Honestly, anybody can cook.
And